Welcome to Chocolates Torras. We're about to begin, so please pay attention so that everyone can enjoy themselves. Are you ready? Today we're going to do something different to what you would do during a normal day. Today you're going to take a trip around the sweet world of Chocolates Torras. I'm sure that most of you like chocolate, yes? Good, because you should know that at this moment you are in a factory that makes kilos and kilos and kilos of chocolate every day. I don't know if you know our friend Toby. Toby came here one day on a group visit like yours because he was looking for answers to lots of questions that had been in his head for some time. As you can see, Toby is a chocolate bar, and he wanted to find out more about himself, about his origins, his evolution, his ancestors, and so on. There were so many gaps to fill that every time we answered one of his questions, he asked us 8 more. So, we decided the best thing to do would be to take him on a journey he would never forget. The same journey we're going to take you on now. A journey into the incredible world of Chocolates Torras. 3,000 years ago, the Native Americans discovered chocolate by pure chance. You should know that the cocoa beans have a sweet, white pulp, but the seeds, which are the main ingredients of chocolate, are so bitter that neither humans nor animals ate them. Then one day, a pod fell on the ground and opened. The seeds were toasted by the sun and they released a wonderful smell that attracted the attention of the natives. Cocoa quickly became a popular product among the Native Americans. The Olmecs used it as an offering to the gods. The Aztecs used it as money. The Mayans used it primarily as an energy drink. Chocolate arrived in Europe 500 years ago with Hernán Cortés, one of the Spanish conquerors who discovered America. It was he who, along with some missionary monks, brought cocoa to Spain. Some years after it had arrived on the Iberian Peninsula, chocolate was introduced to countries like France, Germany, and England, where it was very successful because mixing it with milk made it taste much better. Until 200 years ago, chocolate was only consumed as a drink because there were no machines to make chocolate bars. During the Industrial Revolution, however, a machine was invented to compact the chocolate, and the first chocolate bar was born. Chocolate factories then started to appear all over the world because lots of people wanted to taste it. Oh, and this factory? Doesn't it ring a bell? Yes, of course it does. This is the Chocolates Torras factory. I don't know if you know, but Torras has been making chocolate since 1890. We have been making chocolate for over 120 years and we still haven't got tired of developing new products and new recipes that continue to improve the important health and nutrition aspects of chocolate. For example, we were one of the first companies in Spain to manufacture sugar-free products. This is because there are a lot of people, like people who are diabetic, who can't eat sugar. Just because chocolate doesn't contain sugar doesn't mean it isn't sweet. Instead of sugar, we use other sweeteners, such as maltitol or stevia, which is a natural product that is extracted from a tropical South American plant. Anyway, all this is easier to understand if we see how chocolate is made. So let's learn together about the journey that cocoa takes on its way to becoming a delicious chocolate bar. First of all, the ingredients are put into a machine that mixes them until we get a uniform paste. From here, by means of a conveyor belt, the paste arrives at the refiners, which grind it until it becomes cocoa powder. Then it reaches what are called chocolate conchas, where the cocoa powder and other ingredients are mixed for 18 hours until a liquid paste is made. From here, the chocolate paste can be sent to a storage tank. We have several tanks for storing the different types of chocolate that we make here. From the tanks, After going through a new process during which the temperature changes from 45 to 30 degrees centigrade, the chocolate arrives at the molding machine, where the chocolate is measured out into molds that can be made into bars. This is where the hazelnuts, almonds and fruits are added. These molds move around inside the molding machine for 1 hour until the chocolate is cooled. To guarantee the highest quality throughout the manufacturing process, the bars go through a metal detector before arriving at the packing machines. The bars then arrive in the packing area, where our operators sort them and send them to the different packing machines, which automatically protect them either with aluminium and paper or with cardboard boxes. The chocolate, which is now in crates, is stored on pallets in our warehouse, ready to be shipped to our national and international clients. Apart from the bars that you have already seen being made, at Chocolates Torras we also make other products, such as hot chocolate, which you can drink nice and warm. This chocolate powder is made by mixing the ingredients directly in tanks and then packed in different sized bags. Cocoa butter, once its ingredients have been mixed in the tanks, is also measured out into the corresponding packages. Now that you've followed Toby around the factory and you have an idea of how we make our products, how would you like to go yourselves and see how Torras chocolate is made? Say goodbye to Toby then, because together we're going to discover some sweet secrets you would never have imagined. Enjoy the visit and enjoy the chocolate. If you feel like it, you can visit us on the social networks.